If you think these meatballs look simple and unimpressive, I would agree. But on the inside, they're really soft and tender. And there's a good reason for that. A special ingredient I add when I marinate the meat. You'll find the full list of ingredients and exact quantities in the description, so you can easily follow along. Let me show you how. I like to prepare the meat a day or two in advance to give it time to marinate and build more flavor. For this I'm using pork, more specifically pork leg, because it has some fat in it, but honestly any cut works. After running it through a meat grinder using a medium plate, I add salt, black pepper and one optional ingredient, a tablespoon of shio-koji. It's a fermented marinade you won't really taste, but it helps tenderize the meat and adds a subtle sweetness. Then I mix everything well and leave it in the fridge overnight. With the meat ready, I start adding the rest of the ingredients. I crush the garlic, add chopped parsley, paprika, breadcrumbs, and the eggs, then mix everything well. This is also when I realized I forgot to add the vegetable seasoning, basically a dried vegetable mix, so I'm adding it now. Shaping the meatballs is pretty simple, but the mixture is quite sticky, so I keep a bowl of water nearby, dip my fingers in it, take some of the mixture and roll it between my hands until it forms a ball. You can make them as big or as small as you like. Once they're all shaped, I heat plenty of oil to about 160 degrees Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit. Then I gently lower about 10 meatballs into the oil at a time, making sure not to overcrowd the pot so they cook evenly. As they start to float, I gently move them around so they brown evenly on all sides. They're done when they reach a deep golden brown color. I take them out and place them on a wire rack to drain and cool. You can serve them however you like, but I usually go for something simple, a slice of toasted bread and some crunchy pickles on the side. And that's it, soft and tender meatballs. If you try making them, let me know in the comments how they turn out and whether you like them. If you did, consider leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss future recipes. Or check out one of my other videos, you might find something you like. Until next time, bye!